Hello, welcome to ViaSocket. Today we will see how to send Google Doc messages on Slack. Do watch till the end. First of all, select the trigger event. Select the Google document. New document. Now test the document. Here are the responses shown. Now click Done. After the trigger event, now move towards the action event. Select Slack channel. Select Send message. Select the connection. Select the channel on which you want to send the message. Now, write the message content. Now, select Yes for sending as a user. After that, click on Test. Now, click Done. Finally, test the flow. The notification will show here 2 seconds from now. Now, check the message on Slack channel. Here is the message. Now come back and publish the changes, and your flow will be published. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.